What'd we get, Jacob?
And train tracks.
What'd we go get?
There's
Yeah.
even a tunnel.
A tunnel? Is that neat?
Is it real?
Well, it's real plastic.
Okay.
Or real wood.
Is that neat that we got train track table for you?
Yeah. No. We got train track to build the table.
Yeah, some train tracks to put on the table.
And
Here you go,
then
let me take
trains to
Your
build
fingers
the
are in
Sorry,
train
not
Up here's
anymore.
where the
Okay.
And then trains to build the train track.
Will it be fun?
Yeah, I want to play in
In here.
How do you open
I believe you, but we'll wait till we get home, okay?
right there's the jar. Sarah, did you barely open your door? Did you try to open your door, Sarah?
All right, I love you, Jacob.
There you go.
Okay.
Where do you guys want to go?
Kings Island or Jelly
We're not going to those places. Where are we going?
Jacob, where are we going?
To buy me
We already bought it.
oh yeah, we already bought it.
What did we buy then?
What did we buy?
No, we didn't.
Do you want to go to the mall or no?
Yeah.
What are we
Do you want
gonna
to
do
go
at
to the mall?
Yes. Yes.
What are we gonna do at the mall?
Maybe buy a little thing. And look around and play on the toys. Yes.
What do
Only I will play on Bob the Builder.
You'll play on Bob the Builder?
Yeah.
Would it be better to go to the mall or to go, or are we gonna get some food or no?
No.
We can't,
I
it's
don't
up
want
to
to get food. I want mall.
You guys want mall?
Yeah. Yeah, and I might buy. But the Builder is still mommy.
He is. Is Bob the Builder at this one?
Yeah.
Yay!
It's so cool. Only I think I'm cool.
You can play on Scoop?
Yeah.
Okay.
Will that be fun?
Yeah. Mom, what time is it?
It,
5 FM.
5:34.
Why is it so small today?
It's the same size every day.
It's usually bigger than
Are your
that.
birdies going night?
Not in this car. They're still awake.
No, you can stay awake even if your birdies go night, okay?
Yeah, your birdies go night earlier now because it gets darker earlier. So they think when it gets dark, they should go to bed. But you can stay up since it's not even midnight.
Not even midnight.
Hey Jacob, did Hadassah sleep in your room last night?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you like that?
Yeah. And we did not fight.
You did not fight?
No.
That's really good.
Only I did not put Adeline.
You did not push her?
No. That's good news. Let's watch a movie.
You watched a movie together? What movie did you watch?
Coach.
Cars. Did Hadassah watch Cars 2 in bed?
No.
What did she do?
A black and no old bat.
She played in her bed.
Where was Sarah?
Sleeping.
Sarah was sleeping?
Sarah, were you sleeping?
No.
What were you doing?
I was in his bedroom, kept pausing the movie.
He did?
No, I did to keep sleeping. Then he woke me up and made me turn it.
Oh, I don't believe this. Jacob, is that what happened?
Yeah.
Did you like your fireplace?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's neat, isn't it? And your blue light?
Yeah.
Yeah. When you woke up this morning, was your blue light still on?
Yeah.
And your fireplace?
Yeah.
And where did you go after you woke up?
Do I do that lights?
No, that's tomorrow we do that.
I don't think he went anywhere, did he?
He came to our room. But
Oh, well. Oh boy, that's shaky.
What is?
The car is bouncing and so is the camera. I'm gonna turn it off, okay?
Okay.
Look at that. Sorry, Jacob. That one makes me fall. a tractor number.
Is this neat that you have the train stuff?